Excuse me, sir. Sir, how old were you when you became a crorepati?
26, 27.
All right, okay. So I go around the city asking rich people how they became successful. Can I have a few minutes of your time for the younger generation?
Sure. Come, my store is right here, so we can
Okay.
probably go and talk at the store.
Sure, let's go, let's
Yeah.
go. Yeah. So who am I here with?
You're here with Jay Jajal, by the way. That's how you say my name. Jay Jajal, not Jalal. From Jaywalking.
All right, amazing.
Mr. Walking.
What's the most amount of money that you've made in a single year?
I made a lot of money. I
Okay.
made a lot of money. I would say whatever I dreamt of as a child that I would be doing in the future, I've made that much.
That's the main motto.
I would actually say the main motto is that you wake up and you feel like doing whatever you want to do, you can do. And you don't have to report to anybody, you don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to exactly abide with a timetable, uh, etc. etc. So that sort of a freedom uh, is how wealthy I am.
What a personal attack, but okay. How did the idea of jaywalking come to you? When did it start? How did it start?
Look, the basic thing is you grow up and you have to do something, right? The pressure builds, and some kids like me end up getting lucky and becoming what we became, and some kids still keep thinking. So I would say age hit and I had to do something. That's the base real answer. That's the real idea. I don't want to make up a story and be like, oh, I was going here and mujhe idhar se inspiration mila. No, man, I was 26. I was old enough. People were expecting enough out of me. Family was expecting enough out of me. Luckily, I found my calling at the right time, I would say that. And then I just nose dived into the ocean of streetwear. And before starting jaywalking, I was in Singapore.
Okay.
तो मैं अपना बैचलर्स कर रहा था at 26, not even masters, not
Bachelor's
nothing.
in?
Bachelor's in business management.
Okay.
तो उसका इससे भी वैसे भी कोई लेना देना नहीं है. But because family really wanted to, wanted me to have a degree and like whatever, and I also felt like, I mean, of course, they at least deserve that much out of me. I'm 26 and I don't even have anything on paper, that हमारा लड़का पढ़ा लिखा है दिखाने को. So yeah, the after a lot of consultation, people said सबसे चूतिया degree is the bachelor's degree in क्या बोलते हैं ये business management. ये कोई भी कर सकता है, तो ये कर लो. तो कर लिया. So January I came back to India from Singapore, and February I just started jaywalking. And within no time, to answer your question, I was 26 when I had already become a
Crorepati.
crorepati. Yeah.
Amazing. Sir, so what are the initial challenges that you faced while growing jaywalking?
Man, you have to teach them, no, something.
No, it's okay. You just
No,
share
I know,
what you did.
but honestly, I never felt like we really went through anything. We were just accepted. We were loved. That the only reason why that happened is because we were really honest. Okay, whenever we were fucking around, or whenever we fucked up somewhere, we told people that, oh shit, हम यहाँ पे गलती हुआ, ये हुआ, वो हुआ. We would tell people कि ये नहीं आता यार करने, ये कैसे करें. तो ऑडियंस में से कोई आके बोलता था कि चलो मैं हेल्प करता हूँ. वैसे वैसे करके अपने आप बन गया. बट एवरी फाउंडर और क्रिएटर और एनीबडी who runs a business will keep telling you that team is something that everybody struggles with. To build a team is also a special, very different kind of talent, which I don't think I possess. Otherwise, we would have become like a fucking 10 times bigger. But whatever it is right now, I think it's epic.
It's phenomenal.
It's
I mean,
more
look
than
around. Yeah.
it's more than what I ever dreamt of.
So when you were talking about starting a new business and everything, what's the first thing
राइट
that
हैंड
you
में
did?
खुजली आता है तो पैसा आता है ना. आ रहा है मेरे को बहुत खुजली है.
मेरा राइट हैंड में खुजली नहीं आ रहा इसलिए अटक गए हम लोग. So how much amount of money that you invested in jaywalking when you started out, and what is the first thing that you did with it?
We invested around 1.5 lakhs when we started jaywalking, but that was enough, honestly. Like people, oh, itna kam kaisa, blah blah blah, whatever. That is the amount of money I had. I bought an AC, I bought a sewing machine, and I paid the deposit from it, and that was all the money that was needed. एक टेबल बनाया था, कटिंग टेबल वगैरह. So almost here and there, that much money that we put in. और हम लोग क्या करते थे कि we were not waiting for anything. कच्चा वच्चा भी कोई अगर पैंट बना तो उसमें बटन भी नहीं लगाया, उसको पहना के फोटो खींच के इंस्टाग्राम. ओके, रुकना नहीं है कि भाई आज रुकते हैं, इसको पूरा फाइनल होने दो, 4-5 पीस होंगे तब अपलोड करेंगे. आज ये काटा, आज ये बना, तो आज ही अपलोड हो गया. कल कुछ और बना तो कल कुछ और अपलोड हो गया. सो वी वर एक्सट्रीमली कंसिस्टेंट इन द बिगिनिंग एंड व्हेन पीपल सॉ कि यार ये इंडिया में कुछ कोई नया कर रहा है, सो यू नो पीपल आल्सो हैड दैट वेरी पेट्रियाटिक फीलिंग अबाउट इट कि यार अपना इंडिया का लड़का कुछ कर रहा है एंड दिस एंड दैट. एंड यू नो वो है यहाँ पे कि कोई भी कुछ भी कर रहा है तो उसको प्रोत्साहन देते हैं लोग. ऐसा
People
नहीं है
support the local, people support other
Absolutely.
Indians, yeah.
unless they become extremely wealthy and famous. फिर उस मारना शुरू करते हैं फालतू में. ओहो पहले प्रतीक कुहाड़ कर रहे थे, फिर प्रतीक कुहाड़ बड़ा हो गया तो बोलता है कि कैसे गाता है ये वो. दैट्स अ बेसिक पैटर्न. बट उस पॉइंट तक हमको फर्क नहीं पड़ता कुछ भी.
How has social media changed or affected the business, or how has it transited your journey?
It's only social media abhi. You know, this is also for social media. Everything is social media technically right now, right? अभी वो बंदा वो ऐसा दुकान पे जाके बोलता है भैया 10 रुपये वाला बिस्कुट कितने का दिया, उसका भी बन गया अभी. सोशल मीडिया की वजह से बना है. वो कुछ बेच नहीं रहा है, कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, राइट? बट social media is the thing. Like Ori is made on social media, Urfi is made on social media, everybody is made on social media, right? So every brand is made on social media. So उसके आजू बाजू का तो कोई सवाल उठता ही नहीं है.
So, sir, what advice would you like to give out to startups or entrepreneurs who are starting a business right now? How important is social media for them?
I mean, of course, social media is extremely important. The base advice is just please have fun. Don't follow a trend that has already been blown up on Instagram. You look like fools if you follow those exact same trends and this and that. Try to just be very real, mainly, and Instagram genuinely works. There are a couple of cheat codes to run Instagram. Basic, गाली दे दो, कुछ थोड़ा सा कुछ make the hook. और वो तुमको पता है hook क्या है. A lot of times they fear कि उसका backlash होगा या ये होगा. Backlash भी होने दो. And yeah, I mean just have fun on Instagram. उसमें अगर तुम लोगों के गले के अंदर प्रोडक्ट घुसाते रहोगे तो लोग बोलेंगे कि इसको क्यों फॉलो कर रहा हूँ मैं, क्योंकि ये तो सारा गिमिक है, ये तो सब कुछ ऐसा वैसा है. So don't do that. Just use Instagram as Instagram, Just see how you are using your personal Instagram. कि कहीं घूमने जा रहे हो तो फोटो डाल रहे हो, कुछ कर रहे हो तो डाल रहे हो. वैसे ही Instagram को यूज़ करो. ऐसे बहुत हाई बजट शूट वूट करा के ये सब वो मत करो मेरे हिसाब से.
What were the financial challenges or what were the rejections that you faced? Like,
When you're trying out something new, it takes a little while to pick up. But it all depends on if you enjoyed making it or no. If you're not enjoying making it, तुमने पहले से सोच के रखा है भाई ये बनाऊंगा और जैसे ही इसको अपलोड करूंगा वो हिट हो जाएगा, सब सोल्ड आउट हो जाएगा. अगर तुम्हारे दिमाग में वो थॉट पहले आ गया है बिफोर कि तुमको बनाने में मजा आया कि नहीं आया, तो तुमको वो रिजेक्शन हिट होगा. तुम समझ रहे हो? अगर आज मैं म्यूजिक बनाता हूँ म्यूजिक बनाने के लिए कि मुझे म्यूजिक बनाने मिल रहा है और मैं उसको बनाने के पहले ही बोल दूं कि हाँ अब इस पे मुझे 1 बिलियन व्यूज चाहिए और इसके वजह से मेरे को नोरा फतेही का फोन आना चाहिए ना, ये तो तुम खुद को वो उस पाथ पे डाल रहे हो कि तुमको वो हिट हो और तुमको रिजेक्टेड फील हो. मैं बोलता हूँ अगर बेसिक कॉमन सेंस के ऊपर भी अपना ब्रांड चलाओगे ना तो तुमको ये पॉडकास्ट देखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
the brand is known for making a lot of bold designs and it's very streetwear. It's as the brand suggests. And are these drawings, are these designs done by you? Do you have a graphic designs
No,
team?
they're all done by me. Say for example, like this is a series of some drawings that I had made around lockdown. This is more like draw like a child. The whole idea is to draw in a very free flow state of mind.
Okay.
इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है.
Right.
इसका कोई कुछ नहीं है.
Right.
इसमें ये बनाने में मैंने मजा किया है और ये बन गया. तो अगर कोई मुझे आके पूछता है इसका क्या मतलब है, इसका मतलब ये है कि मुझे मजा आया. तुमको क्योंकि एट द एंड तुम एक क्लोथिंग ब्रांड हो और सामने वाले को वो कपड़ा खरीदने आ रहा है, उसको वो टी शर्ट के पीछे का मतलब ये वो से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. दिस इज आवर ब्यूटीफुल लेडी. ओके, इसने भी हमारे लिए बहुत कुछ किया है. ये लेडी है जो वहाँ पे फेस है. ये जो फर्स्ट स्क्रीन प्रिंट होता है ना जो सामान, वो स्क्रीन प्रिंट जो हुआ था ये वो उसका पहला स्क्रीन है ये. इससे मैंने बहुत पैसा बनाया लाइफ में. तो ये हमारी मेरे लिए देवी है ये. वो ये दिस इज ऑल्सो लाइक these are all the series of beautiful ladies. टेक्निकली ये लेडीज लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे मैंने बस पेंटिंग करते करते आई वाज ट्राइंग टू ड्रॉ माई सेल्फ एक हाइपर वर्जन ऑफ माई सेल्फ, थोड़ा आड़ा टेढ़ा, एंड जैसे उसमें हमने हेयर वेयर डाला तो इट स्टार्टेड लुकिंग लाइक अ लेडी एंड पीपल लव्ड इट. हमने इसके स्टैचू बनाए, बड़े बड़े स्टोर्स में लगाए हैं, क्योंकि हाँ, ये आर्ट.
And what would you say is your smartest financial decision?
Live alone is the biggest correct decision I've made in my life. To live on your own,
And how minutely or largely did it help it in your business?
largely. Because see, the thing is, as a creative person, okay, तुम मुझे नहीं बोल सकते हो कि काम वाली बाई आई तो खाना खा ले, उसको बर्तन करना है. तुम मुझे रात को ये नहीं बोल सकते कि 2 बजे तू म्यूजिक नहीं बजा सकता और तू उठ के सारी लाइट चालू करके अपना पेंट पूंट निकाल के ये नहीं कर सकता. यू कांट टेल मी कि कोई फ्रेंड आया है जो तुम्हारे घर पे 4 दिन रुकने वाला है और whatever, right?
Yeah.
That freedom that you can plan your sleep and your waking up, and that ownership that you get when you start living on your own really is the biggest pivot that you make in your life. When you live with somebody, you're constantly like abiding to something or the other, you know. You can't speak loudly, you can't speak in the tone you want to, or you can't whatever.
Basically, you can't be yourself.
Correct. And when you start living on your own, now you're responsible if you're feeling shit. Now you're responsible if you're feeling happy. You can't be like, "Arey, because of my house." Or when you live alone, also you go through the same emotional turmoil and everything. But now it's only you to blame, and that's when you take ownership of the problem. You know, when you're surrounded with people all the time, when you're eating with people all the time, what is happening is you're putting the blame on other people. You're not fully claiming the responsibility of yourself. So living alone on its own will change the whole trajectory of your life.
What's the riskiest decision that you've took for the brand?
If you consider risk as like, you know, when I was young, we had a family business that was set, you know, but to follow your own passion is the biggest risk you can take in life, technically, because not everybody is, you know, gets to where I am and whatever. So yeah, I took that risk and yeah.
This question is apart from the business and the interview, whatever you were doing. It just came to my mind because you said this. When people follow their passion, hardly one or two, or let's say 10% of the people achieve or get close to what they've thought of. What advice would you like to give to the rest 90% who are still thriving or are on the verge of giving up?
Start saying the truth to yourself. Don't lie. That's why you're not making it. Because when you've faked a passion, that I'm passionate about this and all of that, that's only because of the glamour or the fun that you thought it's going to bring in your life. And that's why they don't make it big.
What is that one thing that they don't teach in business school?
I feel like, you know, वो यूएस में वो दिखाते हैं ना, वो बच्चे वो लेमनेड और वो
Right.
नींबू
Outside
पानी का
their house.
स्टैंड लगाते हैं.
Yeah.
वो एक्चुअली कराना चाहिए बच्चों के पास. भले वो 5 रुपए का नींबू पानी बेचो, पर वो बेचो, ट्राई तो करो. मतलब कि तुम्हारे में आई थिंक ऑटोमेटिकली तुमको पता चल जाएगा कि तुम कॉन्वर्जेशंस में और किसी को पढ़ाने में कितने अच्छे हो. सो आई फील सेल्स इज नंबर वन इफ यू आर a service kind of a business, or you're in a product business or whatever kind of business, you need to know how to do sales. Baki to you get people to do the rest of the things.
And what's the best piece of advice that you've ever received?
I think I'm waiting for that day that somebody gives me that advice and I'm out. Because I think the best piece of advice that I have figured out myself is that don't take things very seriously. If it doesn't make you happy, don't do it. And I've made a video on this that please just waste time. It's fine. So just waste it. And if it's actually getting wasted, just be happy that you just went through that day, and don't take a lot of load on you unnecessary. Don't make other people's dreams your dreams. You know, if your dad dreams about something for you, हाथ खड़ा कर दो. You know, because otherwise you are gonna be dabowed in this fucking mountain of expectations which are not yours. It's not an original thought. So separate yourself from other people's expectations and quickly learn a simple fact about yourself, that what are you really into. Because your only struggle should be as a young person is to know what you're really passionate about.
And what advice would you like to give to the 21-year-old Jay?
करते रहे बकचोदी, आगे सब बढ़िया ही होने वाला है. Comparison is the thief of joy, you know how they say. So because you have compared yourself, or your friend circle is probably too harsh or whatever, or your family is too harsh, you start to lose that power that you have within yourself. I would say reclaim that power. I would tell this to myself when I'm 21, that you're not a dumb you will be big. So yeah, I would just tell myself that chill, it's okay, waste your time, waste that dad's money. You know, a lot of people guilt over that fact that, oh, you're 21, man. And you know, it's also a lot of parents to blame because they're not letting the kids be independent. So as much as they want them to be, but they're not letting them be. So yeah, it's that I feel chill. I would tell myself to chill.
So, what advice would you like to give to new startup owners or entrepreneurs who are just starting out a business?
Unnecessary partners, starting businesses with wives or girlfriends, you know, best friends, people they met in colleges, unnecessary. So don't have partners for no reason.
What would you say is required when you start a business?
Don't be inspired from the west so much. वहाँ पे चीजें अलग है, यहाँ पे अलग है, उसको accept कर लो जल्दी. And yeah, just be honest. Why do we not have a Red Bull in India? उधर कुछ भी गलत दिख रहा है, कुछ भी गिमिक दिख रहा है. शायद वो लोग genuinely adventure के भूखे हैं. उन लोग को क्या जरूरत है इतना स्केल पे सब कुछ करने की? भाई Red Bull तो अब Red Bull बन गया ना. क्यों है उनका Instagram ऐसा भाई? क्यों है? मतलब तो ये समझो कि Red Bull को जब देखते हो तुमको ऐसा लगता है कि ये देख, you know, बना रहा है, मैं बन जाऊंगा. अभी वो पैराग्लाइडिंग कर रहा है, कोई बाइक उड़ा रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है. क्यों भाई? यू नो, आर कंपनीज कुड हैव आल्सो डन इट, बट वो नकली लगता है ना, क्योंकि अपने यहाँ पे वो कल्चर नहीं है, यू नो. सो आई एम सेइंग जस्ट ऑनेस्टी विल टेक यू टू crazy places.
So basically, don't try and replicate the West, because what their TG is and what our TG is completely different.
वेरी डिफरेंट. अपना तो टीजी यहाँ पे हर सिटी स्टेट में बदल जाता है. तो वो यार तुमको ऐसा लगता है कि ये इजी नहीं है यार. और एस्पिरेशन बनाओ, टाइम लो, क्योंकि इंस्टाग्राम ने और ये सब लोगों ने स्पीड को बेच दिया है तुमको. पेस बेच रहे हैं वो तुमको. सबका लाइफ चेंज हो जाता है, सबका लाइफ नहीं होता है ऐसे. कंसिस्टेंसी नाम की चीज़ होती है, ऑनेस्टी पैशन नाम की चीज़ होती है. तुम्हारे उस प्रोडक्ट के पीछे कितना रिसर्च है वो दिख के आना चाहिए सामने, यू नो. अगर कल उठ के मैं बॉडी बना भी लूँ, ठीक है, तो मेरी बॉडी शायद एक आध साल में बनेगी. बट अगर मेरा हेल्थ को लेके पैशन है ही नहीं, मेरा बॉडी बिल्डिंग या वो एब्स वो सब पैशन ही नहीं है, तो एक बार मैं बॉडी बना लूंगा पर पूरी जिंदगी एब्स नहीं टिका पाऊंगा.
So business is like running a marathon and not a 100-meter sprint.
Yeah, running a marathon with bandages on your nipple.
Yeah. Do you believe in this 9 to 5, job structure, or should it be any different than what it is right now?
For all the people working for me, yes. Not for myself. I can see a very near future, okay? क्या होने वाला है, स्पिरिचुअलिटी को तुमको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से बेचेंगे लोग. ठीक है, तुमको बोलेंगे कि काम मत करो, काम इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, जो कि मैं खुद मानता हूँ कि नहीं है. बट अब वो भी तुमको बेचेंगे लोग आके. आओ मैं तुमको साउंड हीलिंग कराती हूँ, तुमको स्ट्रेस होगा तुम्हारा स्ट्रेस रिलीव करती हूँ. उसमें भी एक बड़ा इंडस्ट्री बनेगा. और यू नो, इंस्टाग्राम पे वैसे भी आज यार लोग दुनिया भर की ज्ञान दे ही रहे हैं कि 9 to 5 ये रिलेशनशिप भी मत करो, 9 to 5 भी मत करो, शादी भी मत करो, बच्चे भी मत करो, सब कुछ ही मत करो, यू नो. तो मैं कौन होता हूँ कुछ भी बोलने वाला? 9 to 5 करना है करो, नहीं करना है मत करो. करेज की टोटल बात है कि तुम्हारे में करेज कितना है कि तुम क्या पुल ऑफ कर सकते हो. वो आंटी का एक वीडियो वायरल नहीं हुआ था कि वो एक्टिवा लेके भी अपना पूरा घूम के आई थी वो लद्दाख.
राइट.
उसको करना था ना.
हाँ, माउंटेन ट्रिप.
उसको करना था ना, उसने किया. उसने ना किसी को पूछा, ना उसने कोई गेयर पहना, ना उसको करना था, उसने किया. उसने ये नहीं बोला हिमालयन आएगी कभी तो मैं अपनी लाइफ में जाऊंगी. भाई एक्टिवा पे वो टूर मार लिया उसने.
How has your relationship with money changed over the years after you started your business?
Heavily, extremely heavily. Because I'm telling you, so after I started my business, within the first 2 or 3 years, I bought everything that I wanted to buy. Okay? एक starting में एक छोटा सा वो शौक होता है कि रोलेक्स लेंगे, मर्सिडीज लेंगे, सी फेसिंग फ्लैट लेंगे, ये लेंगे, वो लेंगे. I did everything. पेरेंट्स को एक फ्लैट गिफ्ट करेंगे, वो हो गया. जब सब कुछ हो गया, then I was like, so when I looked at that list of things that already happened, and I'm like, अब इसमें ओरिजिनल ड्रीम कौन सा है? What is it that I did only and only for myself and not to show? Okay, at that point everything changed. At that point, like, I realized that इसमें कोई ओरिजिनल थॉट ही नहीं है, ये तो तुम्हारा अपब्रिंगिंग है, ये तो तुम्हारा कंडीशनिंग है, ये तो सोसाइटल प्रेशर तुमसे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था, जो हमने पहले बात किया कि दैट इज माय बिगेस्ट लर्निंग, डू नॉट लेट सोसाइटल प्रेशर decide your dream.
Do you watch many podcasts or read books or anything like that?
I've started reading lots.
Any books or podcasts that you'd recommend our viewers to read or watch?
There is this book called The Courage to Be Disliked.
Hmm.
It's a beautiful book. उसके टाइटल पे मत जाओ. The book is not asking you to be disliked by people. It is completely ignoring the concept of trauma. कि trauma होता ही नहीं है. तुम trauma create करते हो क्योंकि तुमको exactly वही चाहिए, तुम अभी उधर ही हो जहाँ पे तुमको होना चाहिए था. Should I give an example?
Sure.
There was this one girl who used to work for me. तो ये बुक क्या बोलता है कि तुम ट्रॉमा खुद क्रिएट करते हो टू अचीव द गोल्स दैट यू वांटेड टू अचीव. वो लड़की, मैंने एक स्टोरी डाली थी कि हम वी आर लुकिंग फॉर दिस पीपल टू हायर. अब उसमें से एक पोजीशन उसका भी था. उसको ऐसा लगा कि मैं उसको फायर करने वाला हूँ, तो उसका रोना धोना शुरू हो गया कि अरे यार आपने बोला ही नहीं कि आप ये वो फलाना ढिमका ना. और उसने बोला कि आई वांट टू क्विट. तो मैंने बोला देख, एक तो मैंने स्टोरी राइट टाइम पे डाली, और दूसरा तूने उस स्टोरी के बेसिस पे एक ट्रॉमा बनाया टू अचीव द गोल दैट यू एक्चुअली वांटेड टू अचीव, व्हिच वाज टू क्विट. बट तेरे में हिम्मत नहीं थी क्विट करने की. तूने क्विट कब किया? जब ट्रॉमा आया. तूने बनाया. मैंने कुछ गलती नहीं की थी, तेरे पास ट्रॉमा बनाने का कोई वो नहीं था. तो तुम ट्रॉमा बनाते हो टू अचीव द गोल्स. ओवरऑल आई रीड अ शिट टन ऑफ ओशो. आई एम द बिगेस्ट फैन ऑफ दैट गाय.
Okay.
And Jiddu Krishnamurti. But that's if you want to go deep,
What advice would you like to leave the younger generation with?
Please be curious. Don't start believing in the unknowable. There are a lot of things that are unknowable. Don't break your head behind those things. And just be absolutely in a flow state. Be in surrenderance, because that's the only way to be. And if not today, eventually people understand this, so you will also get it. So no stress. Karte raho. Like, try to, you can try as hard as you want to find some sanity and some stability and security and all that jazz, but it makes no sense. Let it be, let it go. Even when it comes to relationships and people and love and whatever, let it flow. Don't try to, that's.
जितना जोर से पकड़ने जाओगे उतना ही छूटता जाएगा.
पता नहीं, वो तो पता नहीं, बट हाँ वो भी हो सकता है. बट आई एम सेइंग वो कभी पकड़ में आएगा ही नहीं. अगर तुमको ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो आएगा, बट because you've not separated yourself from things and people and love and friends and family and so don't try to control anything, even yourself. If you're angry, stay angry. Don't, because the most common thing people say is, try to control your anger. Anger is the only very natural thing a human being feels,
Right? Yeah.
But you're taught to not be angry. So yeah, these things, don't listen to these things. Flow. Surrender.
It's great. Thank you so much. That's some
Yes.
great advice that you've got today.
Yeah.